To make my tea, pig milk from Hershey. I'm going to add in apple cider vinegar. This is a trick you use with your knife. Depending on the whisking the sugar. This is my Nigerian recipe. And first time having my pancakes.
Yeah, it's really soft. Like a bonbon.
Oh my god. I want to make pancakes this morning. This is the first time I'm making pancakes in like ages. I wanted to make it for my baby. So I want to show how I do my pancakes now. Slightly Nigerian pancakes. This candle from Biola Beauty is so good. I love it so much. I love how it smells. It's very refreshing, honestly. So this is what I'll be burning this morning while I cook. A lot of things I don't have yet in my kitchen. I was going to use these soup mugs to make my tea. This is strawberry tea. I got baking powder and vanilla essence.
Love it.
Yeah. No, it's not sure yet. I got this syrup yesterday from Hershey, pig milk. I got a whisk as well. I've not had pancakes since I found out I was lactose intolerant, and that was before my weight loss journey. Like, I don't know if this pancakes is going to make me have the same symptoms, but I just have to wait and see, because right now I don't know. I've not had pancakes in 3 years. That's how long I've not had pancakes. So when I say a while, I meant a while. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of honey. I'm going to add in apple cider vinegar. You can see how far I've gone. Like I use these things up a lot. So just 2 cups of it, usually in my tea in the mornings. I'm adding in my green tea. This is the brand I like to take. And then I'll just add my hot water. I'm going to be breaking 2 eggs into my bowl to mix my wet ingredients. Next, I'm going to put in my milk, and for my milk I like to use pig milk. If you really like sweet, you can use the evaporated one, but it's the full cream one I like to use. I currently don't have a tin opener, and this is a trick you use with your knife. You just go on both. It has to be, use these points as reference, and then just put it in and hit it. This is a trick I learned from my mom. Hit it and you have your tin open without the use of a tin cutter, because I've not yet got those in my kitchen for now. I've not bought them, but you have to be careful and make sure you can handle knives before doing that. So this is what it should look like. I've opened it. I have my vanilla extract. What I just do is just to put like 2 tiny cups of this, depending on the quantity of what I'm cooking. So I'll just set this aside. I'll start to mix my dry ingredients. This will be my measuring cup, as I do not have a measuring cup here right now. This amount of sugar. Maybe not all of it. I didn't use all of it. I'll add 2 cups of flour, or maybe 1.5. See, I'm just eyeballing everything here. I don't even know if I even really remember how to make pancakes. To be honest, whisking the sugar and the flour first. I should have sifted that flour, but and I'm going to go into adding nutmeg, a bit of nutmeg, because I like the flavor it gives. Adding in black pepper now, just a bit. This is my Nigerian recipe. I think the people doing the AC have come. So now that I've mixed all my dry ingredients together, I'll start to pour in the wet ones. Little by little.
I would like to whisk for you.
You would like to whisk for me?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Why is your whisk so whiskey?
So what? Why is it so?
I'm not that again.
You're whisking?
Pancake about to slap.
You're whisking quite aggressively.
Different.
On a different level. I'll call you to come and taste it, so you're making it for. And I didn't make a lot, so we can always make fresh ones.
No!
And try to always clean as you go. Trust me, like it will be so much easier when you clean as you go, because then you will not have a lot of plate piled up, and your sink will be clean, your kitchen too will be clean. So try to just wash as you go if you can. So you just use the pan to spread it out like so. The bubbles forming on the surface, when it's done, they will pop. You see it's starting to pop. When they all pop, you know it's time to flip your pancake over. I like to serve my pancakes with eggs, so I'm just going to use eggs. And then my sausages, I like to put a side of egg and sausages with my pancakes. But for these, I've gone ahead to make holes in them with a fork. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this because these are quite bland and the taste is weird to me, honestly. So I'm just going to put a bit of this so it can marinate in this and then fry it along with the eggs, and that's breakfast for us. It tastes so good, my goodness. Like, I'm so proud of myself. First time after years. I'm almost done. Then I'll make the eggs.
Beautiful.
He'll be having his tea, coffee, and that 3-in-1 coffee, and then me, I'll be having my regular green tea. No, I haven't. Babe, just play anything, let's watch, it's fine. this is what it looks like up close. So that's it guys, that's how I make my fluffy pancake. You can have a drizzle of syrup with this or not, but this is how I like to make my fluffy Nigerian pancakes, and it's quite spicy because of that black pepper. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you learned anything new, and I'm going to see you in my next video. And then go get my love so he can have a taste test, shall we?
Really, really good.
Thank you. We don't have bread in our extra, so I was going to give it this small one. It's a pancake you're tasting.
No, let me get to it.
So you're walking in a real.
Wow. It's really, really good.
The first time having my pancake.
Yeah, it's really soft. Like a bonbon.
Oh my god. I'm happy that you like it.
Breakfast don't start, huh?
Yeah, breakfast don't start. Enjoy yourself. Alright.
Really good, baby.
Maybe let's go and sit down.
Okay.
You don't want to sit down anymore. There's more syrup if you want. Bye.